If you have concerns about Alzheimer's, whether you have a family member who has Alzheimer's or dementia, we really have to understand that we can have more control over preventing Alzheimer's and how someone may manage Alzheimer's by understanding the body's sewage treatment system. That's the lymphatic system. In 2015, lymphatic vessels were found in the brain. That's a direct lymph-brain connection that you can use to help improve detoxification in your brain. And when your brain can detox, then cellular waste called senescent cells and other waste build in your brain, limiting and damaging your neurons, your cells in your brain. And that starts where we don't think, we can't remember things. So you have to make the right decisions, right? You have to understand, you have to look at your diet. Are you doing exercise? Are you actually improving circulation in your head? And that is something as simple as deep breathing. Try this right now. And blow it out. Nice deep breath in through your nose if you can. And then blow it out through your mouth. I get tingles in my head, in my legs when I do that. You're directly creating circulation in your body and improving lymph flow when you take deep breaths. But there's so much more we need to know, right? We need to understand diet. We need to understand basic supplements. We need to understand that your own two hands are very powerful in their ability to create circulation and lymph flow in the body. Most people, even the medical system, don't realize that we can have direct control with our hands to improve circulation in our mouth and our eyes to help our brain, right? If you have digestive issues, activating the lymphatic system will help the stem cells in your intestines and you'll start to heal. The lymphatic system really plays a role in every health problem, especially in mental health issues. If you want to you want to lower your risk of having Alzheimer's or a dementia, you need to maintain your lymphatic system. If you have any questions, contact me and I'll definitely answer them for you. Have a great day.